Hello guys, so in this very video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually recharge your prepaid meter when there is light. Previous video we talked about recharging when there is no light, where you have to use batteries, and then here we'll be discussing to do it when there is no light. I mean there is light and you don't need battery. You can see I don't have battery right here, so this is empty. So you're going to need your cable. Of course, the power cable will be needed since there is light instead of the battery like we did in the other video. So you just connect it there, and then you may ensure that it's connected directly to the wall socket, and then you're going to see the meter will power up. And then in case you want to check the balance, you just go by 0 0 and then 9, and then you send. So you can see we just have 4.95, and then you can see is on the credit status is giving you warning here, meaning it is almost exhausted. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, of course you're going to have your meter card, and then you're going to key in your meter card, and that is what I'm going to do here exactly. So I'm going to enter my card, my meter number, and then that is 4 sorry 4 5 2 3 7 6 5 and then 3 7. So after entering your meter number, you enter, and then you allow it to load, and once it shows success, you're now going to key in the token number you got when you bought the light, and then I'm going to say sorry 6390808286 and then 70, and then I click send. So you can see that is about 74 units that will just top up 74.40, and you can see the light, the warning light have turned green completely. So in case you want to check your balance, you just say 00 send 009, and then you can see from those 4 point something we had before, this is what we have right now. So if you have watched this video to this extent, it means the video is useful to you. Kindly do me a favor by smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I drop this kind of videos, you're going to get notified. And if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'm going to check the comments and reply them. And if any issue is there that we need to do a new video, I will also be glad to do another video on any issue on the comment section. Signing out, guys. Peace.